Welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi has attacked Prime Minister Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the disappearance of sexual assault accused JDS MP Prajwal Revana. The JDS and the BJP had formed a pre-poll alliance in Karnataka. Priyanka Gandhi said that a person who shared the stage with PM and for whom the Prime Minister sought votes committed atrocities on over 1,000 women. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has been summoned by the Delhi police on Wednesday. This is in connection with the doctored video of Home Minister Amit Shah. There are other 4 people from Telangana who have also been served notices to join the inquiry. CM Reddy alleged that the cops are now a new tool for the BJP. Karnataka MP Prajwal Revana is likely to be expelled by his party today. The Janata Dal Secular, which is an alliance with the BJP, will likely decide on this at a core committee meeting of the party today. New Delhi had summoned the Canadian Deputy High Commissioner over the raising of the separatist slogans on Khalistan at an event addressed by Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. New Delhi underlined that it impacts the relations between the two countries and encourages a climate of violence. The Ministry of External Affairs said that the government is concerned, and this illustrates once again the political space that has been given in Canada to separatism, extremism, and violence. The Indian Medical Association has given their statement in the Patanjali case. It said that Baba Ramdev crossed a red line when he claimed that he could cure COVID-19 and at the same time maligned modern medicine by calling it a stupid and bankrupt science. Plus, the Uttarakhand government has suspended licenses for 14 of Patanjali's products. The Supreme Court will resume hearing Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's petition against his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. Yesterday, the top court asked CM Arvind Kejriwal that why a bail application challenging his arrest was not filed by him so far in the excise policy case. Representing Kejriwal, the senior advocate replied that the bail application was not filed because the arrest was illegal. The top court also asked if Kejriwal was named in the CBI's case or the ED's report, to which Kejriwal's advocate responded that he was not named. 5 candidates have withdrawn their nominations from Srinagar Lok Sabha seat, leaving 24 contestants in the fray for the poll scheduled to be held on May 13th. Returning officer for the Srinagar constituency, Bilal Modi Uldin Bhatt, said 24 candidates now remain in the fray. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.